Hi, I just wanted to make a short thank you video because just a short while ago I got 100 subscribers and I think it's very amazing because I want to thank my first like few friends that actually subscribed, and then also all my loyal students that I had from the very beginning who subscribed as well. But I mean, that's maybe a maximum of 20 people, and that means, because last I looked I had 115 subscribers now, so that means like almost 100 more people that I didn't ask to subscribe actually found my channel and liked it and have now subscribed. So I just want to say a big thank you to every single one of you, and I will keep making content. And the thing is, the goal with my YouTube channel is in the end that you will be able to come as a complete beginner to my channel, and through all the different materials I provide, the Anki Decks. I've just started a podcast as well, but it's not really official yet. And through the YouTube channel, that just through these three mediums, that you will be able to reach fluency. You will be able to reach an intermediate upper level. So I want to be able to take you from complete beginner to at least intermediate. And that is my goal with my YouTube channel, and not just, oh, a funny video about this, a funny video about this, but a structure from, watch this video to this video, and actually do the things, listen to them, repeat the videos, and you should be able to actually learn the language. So that is my ultimate goal, and thank you so much for helping me make that come true. Ja. Tack så mycket. Hej då.